Hello, Nelson. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads. And I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and how five-star remodeling stacks up to its competition. In this video, I'll go over a few specifics on search engine optimization, and I'll show you how beating your competitors online can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining customers. So the two things that I'm really going to go over today are website content, including keywords, and backlinks. Now, content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And you want it to be stuff with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like remodelers Austin, Texas, remodeling contractor Austin, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will be the one that pops up. Now, taking a look at your website, it is a little lacking on the content side. I do like your logo. I like how you do have your different services and reviews, gallery, before and afters. Like, these are all crucial pieces to a successful user experience on your website. However, for Google, content is king. So what you would want to do is build out your home page here, because it is the front door to your website and the page that most people will end up visiting if you do start to try to rank for different services. And so again, you want to shoot for 1,500 to 2,000 words. And you want to do that because instead of just trying to take a bunch of keywords and throw them into a paragraph, you will actually get penalized by Google, where they won't even let you rank for those because they know what you're trying to do in just stuffing keywords in. So you want to keep a good ratio of just words of content to actual keyword phrases. We usually strive for about one keyword phrase per 100 to 150 words of content. And so that allows you to get 12 to 15 keywords on your home page. And that's usually the most that you need. There's not typically more than 15 plus keywords that you really are having a lot of volume and are not impossible to rank for. So that would be my primary suggestion for you, would be to just build out the homepage. Obviously, you want to include things like testimonials, any awards you've gotten, any accreditations. You want to include those on your homepage. And then before and afters, things like that, just to make it the best possible experience for the homepage. Because the more clicks that people have to do to get to the particular piece of information that they're looking for, the less likely they are to convert into a paying client. So you want to make it as simple and as easy to follow as possible. There's a lot that goes into it. We'd be happy to discuss that with you further, but the next thing I wanted to talk to you about is something called backlinks. Now, backlinks are kind of a popularity contest for Google because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you, the quality of those websites, and how related they are to your actual services that you provide. So you get a lot more power and influence from a backlink that is from a commercial painter's blog or a popular website that features various types of home services, as opposed to like your local Domino's pizza. And I'll show you kind of what that looks like here in a moment. A tool that we use for overall website health, tracking keywords, traffic to your website. It's called Ahrefs. And as you can see here, not a whole lot of data is pulling through for your website. Again, because the content is so limited, Google doesn't have a whole lot to pull out of your website. But your referring domains, that would be the different websites that are pointing back to you. Backlinks are the actual citation, on other websites that are linking back to you. So that's where that would show up. Your organic keywords show up right here, and then your traffic over the past month would be right here. And as you can see, you have little to no traffic actually going to your website. I did want to show you what one of your top competitors, at least online, is looking like. It's CG&S Design Build. They do both designing and building of homes, but remodeling is one of the top things that they rank for. As you can see, they have over 3,000 backlinks from over 500 domains, and they are targeting over 500 keywords. Most of those, and I'll show you real quick, are going to be those ones: remodeling Austin, Texas, remodelers Austin, Texas. You can see that it's almost the same exact search, but they get different results, and they have different. This KD right here is how difficult it is going to be to rank for that particular keyword, and the closer you are to 0, the better. So it's a lot easier to rank for remodelers versus remodeling Austin, Texas, if that makes sense. So they have a lot of the keywords up there. They're ranking #1 for most of them. So they're doing a really, really good job of doing SEO and driving people to their website. And that goes to show, because they have over 600 people visiting their website. Most of those are going to be some sort of paying client, and it's just a matter of capturing them as a client at that point. So that's going to be it for the video. Main takeaway is building out your content and then having the backlinks to support those. Once those are working together, then they start to push your rank up in Google, and you want to get to that first page. So please feel free to give us a call if you'd like to discuss it further. Megan will be reaching out to you just to see your feedback on the video. Her number is 210-865-0718. Thank you so much again, and have a great weekend.